Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Magic. In this session, I will show you how to use help facility. So in Office 2019, help function can be accessed by pressing the F1 keyboard key, which opens the help pane to the right of the worksheet. For example, if I press the F1 key, the help function is open right in the work area. So what we want, just type here which thing we need. If we want to know how to save a file, just press the save, write a save, and you will choose the desired option from the list. For example, I want to know how do I save a file. Click on it, and then you can see the lot of options, and you can by reading these you are able to save the file. The next thing I want to talk about, you are able to select topic of interesting from the list provided, which offers further subtopic until you find what you are looking for. Alternatively, you can search for a topic using tell me what you want to do. This feature is located along the top of the ribbon at the end of the list of the tabs. By clicking on it, you can write something that you want to do in Microsoft Word. For example, we want to know how to save a file. Type save in this section, and you can know how to save a file, and this is automatically done. So simply clicking on the right bulb icon located to the left of the empty placeholder, click to the select a topic from the drop down list to obtain the help topic you require. Now that we have learned how to navigate the user interface, let's learn how to create a document in next session. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this.